Yo, and 1K is cutting up, fam. What to do, man? We back with another video. Y'all see? Hey, I promise I ain't give up on my ways, bro. I'm just woofing right now, and y'all can see before the head. So, y'all see what it's looking like right now. Y'all see? So, this video gonna be turning my Afro back into waves. But y'all see, bro, I got like no waves right now. So y'all just stay tuned, man. First, I like to comb the hair out before I get into the video. Comb it out back comb it out real quick. So, my hair wet now. This is shampoo I'm gonna use. It's just the first wash. Always go through your hair twice with the soap. The first wash, I just use a little so as y'all can see, I ain't really doing too much. I'm just trying to get the hair right. I think I'm gonna do one more. Yeah, see, cause bro, I had long, boy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do one more with the soap. I'm gonna do one more with the soap. Just to get him right. This ain't the full process, but I want to make sure he laid down good. Know what I mean? I want to make sure he laid down good before we. Yeah. I'm coming back. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm coming back one more time. Nah, I'm finna use my other. This is my main brush that I use when I wash and style. You can get this at a house though. It's the hard kind. It's like, I don't even remember how much it's gonna cost. I think it's like $10 or something. Probably not even that, but y'all wanna do the same thing. But this time, I'm probably go ahead and rag up just for a little while. Washing the shampoo out, y'all. This is just part one though, y'all. This is just part one of the wash and style. Oh yeah, see, that what I needed right there. That what I needed right there. Get everything laid down on one accord. Make sure it's all laid in place for you. Now I'm finna put my rag on real quick. Finna throw that rag on real quick. Boom. Look at them waves, boy. You can see them through the rag, boy. You ain't spinning unless you can see the waves through the rag, boy. For real. Alright, now for the double compression, I'm gonna put a wave cap over. Alright, put that wave cap over. That way, we know, guaranteed that we laid down good compression. See, yeah, that's what you want to see. You want to see that soap come through. You want to see it seep through. In about 30 minutes, so now I'm just finna rinse all the soap out my hair, and I'm finna let it sit and air dry for like, I say about 30 more minutes. So, y'all see, y'all can't see. I got the little suction cup thing on, so y'all can't see what I'm finna do. I'm finna wet my hair real quick in the sink.
I'm using cold water too. Ooh, that's cold.
Y'all can see this one. Whoa, boy. Hey, boy, I know y'all. Hey, boy, I know y'all see it up there. We ain't gonna say too much though. But yeah, so I'm finna let this dry one more time. Yeah, I'm finna let this dry one more time. I'm gonna let it air dry though. Let this bad boy air dry. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all my full lay down method, like how I'm gonna lay it down, and then I'm gonna show y'all later on today what it really lay it down to. So y'all just stay tuned. It's just the first half of the session, but y'all can see we already about there. No product in right now, so I'm finna air dry and I'm gonna let y'all know about. I'm gonna come back in probably like 30 minutes or however long it takes to air dry. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like with just no product and just soap in it. And I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I actually put the product in. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Alright, so we back. That shit, I don't know. It should be dry. It should be dry by now. It's about dry if it ain't already dry. So let me show y'all the full, you know what I'm saying? This with no product in, huh? Y'all got your life jackets on? Alright. Yeah, there's no product in. There's no product. No product. Huh? No product in, man. Come on, man, y'all. There's no product in, no, man. No. It's before the product. It's before the product, man. Alright.
Brush it. Brush it. It be laid. Real. What did that be? Got my heart trainer. It's the OG right here, man. It's the OG. Gotta pull. Alright. Now see what's wrong. There's no product in here right now. See, y'all don't understand why I did what I did, right? Cause it wouldn't went like I just kept it. The dry look. Got to put some type of moisture in there. So when you take that rag off, it really pops.
Alright. Now I'm finna use this Carol's Daughter black vanilla oil. It's about like $15, bro, but it's worth it, though. You don't gotta use too much of that. Just enough to get the hair moisturized, cause we sure need it.
Oh yeah, we getting that now. Oh yeah, we getting that now. pull out this bad boy right here, man.
Alright, so now I'm gonna use this goat drip. I like to use, when I wash my hair, I like to just use the moisturizer with a little oil in there. I'll show y'all what it look like. It smells so good. I got a lot of hair right now, so. Gotta let him know good.
Where did that be?
So now, I'm gonna put it, I'm using the softy now. And just lay everything in place. Literally just laying everything in place. My real way was know what these is though. Pretty self-explanatory. Yeah.
One tape, man. We ain't even cutting today. We can one tape, dog. So y'all can see. You got the cap. Got to put a cap on first. And now we triple compress. We got durag, wave cap, and then we got the dome cap on. So we triple compress. Oh, dang, bro. I pull out this bad boy. Dang, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I like it. I can use some, bro. I just can't. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Yeah, bro. I got to show y'all this here, man.
Lay down. Lay him down. Lay him down, man. Yeah, see that, bro. Okay.
Where did that be?
Yeah, that ain't what to know. Alright. Yes, sir, man. So that concluded, man. I'm finna go rock these for the day. Yes, sir. Afro the waves, man. Afro the waves, man. One cat's cutting up. Dog. And it's the day after, man. I gotta show y'all the next day. Oh.